So guys, I'm lost three trades on money management, and it kind of tells me that to make it, I need to make at least 4 trades to make it complete a session, or at least 3 trades to kind of break even. Now you see, this is not a very great market. Now, not everywhere is so great. This one could be because it will reverse from this level, but I cannot just trade it like that now. But this is a strong level, and I have to wait another level. But you see, it is going towards 2 deviation, so I cannot simply trade it like that. But let's see, this is a strong down number, not be easily broken. Last 3 candles have not been so strong. They could not break the master candle easily. Then there is a 1 deviation, so the 2 deviation is very nearby, and it is getting constricted again. Again, a bad market. I don't know why I'm doing it today, always in this kind of markets. So I'll just take this trade, be happy about it, and leave this one for now. But this is not giving me a very good signal. Here it got reversed twice. It is more in a support zone from here and here. Previous. But then there was a jump. I don't know where it's going to do. So the 100 EMA is quite far away. So I'm hoping, but this is getting constricted a bit soon. And now we have a process of elimination. It stopped here at this level. The rule of process of elimination is that if I have to use this process of elimination, which works in this kind of setup, is that I have to get it below this point, or at least below this point. And since I cannot find that within the trading period, I will not trade it. See, it came there, right? So you cannot blindly trade a process of elimination like that. It has to be rejected from here once to make it achieve it. So see, so now you're trying to see what it is trying to do. It's playing between 150 and 20, and what you can do is you can use this as a support level, which is still a nice support level, and see if it works out. Yes. This one also stopped here. This support level is kind of still maintained. But again, when you're trying to make a reversal, always try to do it below the wick. I could not find exactly the below the pick, but I at least could find a strong key level, which is 50 EMA. Now, break even, I have to do this. So this did not materialize as it should have, and this is not a trade I would like to put in $42. Even if it is a support level, yeah, you have to understand that it went both levels here. It crossed this level and it crossed this level also. So it's a really strong indecision candle. So do you think it will go further up? Again, it's a weak candle with both same wicks, and it barely crossed 20 EMA. But again, you have to understand that it strongly crossed one deviation lower Bollinger Band, and that's a very good sign. And it is due to go further up. But again, as I said, a strong entry point would have been below one deviation, because you have to understand that this was still a weak candle and barely above 20 EMA, not with determination. So, and that's why it is. It still wants to hang around here. So a long upper wick says buying pressure, even though the lower, I mean, the color is red. It was a bearish candle. It is having a buying pressure, but it is still not convincing enough. And this one is a strong resistance level. I have to understand that. So you see, we did try to cross it. It stopped there. This is a kind of an engulfing candle, but since it happened in a ranging setup, in a consolidation setup, yeah, I will not use it. Let's see if there is anything nice here. Nothing that interesting. There is a price action. Now it's going down. So what I will do is I will play with this one. A nice Fibonacci for this kind of setup. It got rejected, you see, but you have to also see that this is getting a breakout, but not with determination. Can I put in $42 into it? Mm, I would wait till here. To call it a support level. The previous one is not a first of all very nice way of making a Fibonacci also. So, and it close to Fibonacci. There was still some gap. So now it got rejected by a strong support level. Would it hold for another candle? Will it respect the Fibonacci? So there are many strong levels, support levels here right now, and 100 EMA is still far away. But I have to go beyond this to make a trade. Below this to make a trade. If you can't make a trade, I will not make a trade. Let's see how far we can go. Because if I lose this one, my money management session is over. So now it says 261 level. This is a very strong round number. This is a 100 EMA, a very strong, and this is a shaven head. If it goes beyond all of these, I will put in a call option. It has to, but it has to go this strong, below this strong number. Yes, it will not break this. There are many strong levels. It will not go to 100 EMA. It will not go to 100 EMA. There are so many strong levels in between. Even if it's a stupid Fibonacci, but you have to understand that that was the last retracement it had. And the last one is shaven head, also showing. Earlier than that was also a weaker candle. Thank you. So I made break even on this one. Shall I do it here? Do I see any other support level apart from 100, 200 EMA? No. So it may so happen that it will break it out with some indecision, with some weakness. I will not just simply because it's 200 EMA and I will not trade it like that. So this is a support level. Seems like unless I use this one, even here, no. Here, yeah, it says that I'm close to 100, 161. So yes, it has to go up, but to understand that I can't simply take a decision like that based on candle. Is there a resistance level here? We don't know yet. So yes, so it was supposed to go there, 100, it aligned. What do we do now? We'll wait because I cannot just take a $80 trade like this. So in principle, it got rejected from 200 EMA. It reached 100, 200 EMA, 100 EMA. This is a strong engulfing going over last two candles. But after such a long trend, a strong, and this is going towards support level, but then it needs to find a right entry point. There could be a lot of retracement because after there are so many bearish candles that one candle cannot simply cause a full time reversal. And this is where I play another trick. I'll see if it is 23.7 here, 23.6 here. So this 23.6 is a strong level. Again, a strong level. It may not be able to break it easily, but you have to also see that still a gap left for two deviation. This is a shear shot basically where it didn't cross this, but since it's very close to 100, 200 EMA, I will not simply take this, especially when these are kind of getting more trendier and aligned. So, as I said, $80 is a big amount for me to make this trade. I would rather stop this session than lose the session. So now this is Harami, where it will go further up. But how much up? You can try this out. It will only go beyond up to this level. In this candle. So now we have to understand that there will be three levels. This is a weak candle, first of all. This is a weak candle. There are one, okay, middle Bollinger Band is not a very strong one, but two, three, four strong levels there. So it cannot cross it, but I have to find a point where it beyond this. And since this is a strong support level, I will not, this is a strong support level, I will not just make a reversal here. And even if it's a weak candle, but it has strong body, big body. So reversal is not really on cards. Continuation is to some extent, and now since it says that yeah, I'm not that strong, process of elimination, 160 level is still there, and it's kind of got rejected. I will let it go beyond it. Now I lost it. I think it won't go there again. It will reverse. Yeah, I don't want to jump the gun with a FOMO trade. FOMO is fear of missing out. You will miss out a trade and lose $80. Because now it is also three white soldiers. And the problem with the three white soldiers is that it is a retracement. It could be a retracement, but if it touched 161 level, it could also be a reversal. So to make it happen as a reversal, I have to play this one as I should play a doji where I have to let it come at least to this level, to 3/4 level, before I start making a reversal. So it's getting towards three dead soldiers. I hope so. So this is kind of three dead soldiers. So it will reverse again. but still I have to use 161 level to reverse it and be sure that I'm doing it right. From this level onwards, yes, it kind of should have taken it a bit higher than this, but this is a strong level as well. So 3 soldiers with a strong level, you would say, yeah, it could be against a trend, but you have to understand that trend wise, it has to get back here. So yeah, that was my session. Thank you so much.